Welcome back to the Indian weather forecast. During the last 24 hours, light to moderate rainfall precipitated over Jammu and Kashmir, Uttaranchal, Nepal, Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. Scattered rainfall precipitated over Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, parts of Kerala. So coming to the forecast, heavy rainfall expected over western parts of Jammu and Kashmir, light to moderate rainfall expected over central and northern parts of Jammu and Kashmir, northern parts of Himachal Pradesh, eastern parts of Nepal, Sikkim, Gangtok of West Bengal, northern parts of Assam. Scattered rainfall expected over central regions of Nepal, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, eastern parts of Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and parts of Kerala. So now look at the features which are responsible for this weather activity. The western disturbance which will clear by the evening of 25th February, but at the meantime another western disturbance will commence with heavy spells over western Himalayas, Sargandet, Sharda, Kale, Subi, Taurian. All these areas of Jammu and Kashmir will receive 9 cm of rainfall. Gradually this will cover the entire Jammu and Kashmir, and light to moderate rainfall will occur over central, north and southern parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Scattered rainfall will also occur over northern parts of Himachal Pradesh. The individual cyclonic circulation which have been persisting over the west border of Rajasthan will move gradually towards northwards, but no significant weather activity is expected. Dry and warm weather conditions will continue over western parts of Rajasthan. The night temperature over western parts of Rajasthan will be around 22 to 23 degrees Celsius. Expected further rising of the night temperature. The cyclonic circulation which is very well marked over the parts of Bangladesh and adjoining to the Bihar and Jharkhand regions. So light rainfall will occur over the parts of Assam, and scattered rainfall will occur over Meghalaya, Manipur and Nagaland regions. The northwesterly and southeasterly winds are merging, formed a confluence zone which extends from Kerala region up to North Bangladesh, but no rainfall activity is expected. Only Kerala will receive scattered rainfall, and maybe the rainfall activity is only confined to the hilly regions, and cloudy weather conditions will appear over coastal regions of Karnataka. So other than that, entire southern peninsula will experience dry and sunny weather conditions. The anticyclone which is over northwestern parts of Tamil Nadu and adjoining to the South Karnataka and South Andhra Pradesh regions, indicative of good weather conditions. Generally sunny and clear weather conditions will continue over Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and South Karnataka. There is no relief for North Karnataka. Temperature will reach up to 33 to 34 degrees Celsius over most parts. This is due to the converging of the winds. Expected gradual increasing of the temperature over North Karnataka. During the next 24 hours, maximum temperature will record over Erode with 37 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will record over Shillong with 11 degrees Celsius. So that's all for now. Keep watching the Indian weather forecast for more weather updates.